Good morning, class 8. We will start today your grammars lesson that we have been doing from many days. Many days, not 2-3 periods we have taken. And we have completed our lesson, first lesson up to exercise F. I had given you some homework and I hope that you are completing the homework simultaneously. Please don't let pending and don't let it pending because you don't have fear of teachers checking. We will check them afterwards, so you have to continue your work with great interest. Okay? So today we are going to see exercise G. We are studying grammar lesson number 1. And exercise G we are going to study today. Exercise G. See students, in exercise G, we have to frame some yes/no questions. Do you know how many types of questions are there? We generally make 2 types of questions. If I explain you through this diagram, there are questions. Okay, these questions have 2 types. First is verbal. Or if I don't write in bold, then I will write like this. Verbal. And second is WH type. Where verbal means there are many verbs, helping verbs from which we make the questions, such as do, then, does, then, am, is. Many are there, I cannot write all here, can, etc. Okay? And WH type, there are so many words. If I have to write some, then what, how, where, when, है ना? मतलब क्वेश्चंस हम बनाते हैं 2 तरीके से. एक वर्बल क्वेश्चन होता है जो वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है. हैव यू डन योर होमवर्क? इज शी कमिंग टू योर होम टुडे? और can I play with you? All that. And WH type, and you know that these questions are answerable with yes/no words. They are answerable with yes/no words. Yes or no. We can answer them in yes or no. And here they give information, so we cannot answer them in yes or no. They give us information, so they may give lengthy answers. They may have lengthy answers. They provide information. Okay, so understood that questions are of 2 types. First is verbal and second is WH type. Verbal, that starts from helping verbs. There are many: was, were, has, have, had, do, did, done, is, am, are, can, would, will, would, shall, should, many are there. Okay? And WH type: what, how, where, whose, when. There are many such words. So I have told you examples also. You have to note that in your copy and in your mind. Okay? Now let's turn towards the exercise. exercise G has some questions. You have to make questions. Answers are given there already. Look on page number 9. First question is done. We are seeing second question. Second question is answer is written. You have to select proper helping verb and frame question for that. Okay. The answer is yes. It is answer. Okay. Yes, Manohar is reading a storybook. ठीक है, आंसर क्या किया आपने? आपने बताया कि हाँ मनोहर स्टोरी बुक रीड कर रहा है। इसका मतलब क्वेश्चन क्या हुआ होगा? क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको ऑप्शंस है यहाँ पर, इज और व्हाट। देन आपको इन दोनों में से एक सिलेक्ट करना है, इज आएगा कि वॉज व्हाट आएगा, एंड देन यू हैव टू फ्रेम क्वेश्चन फॉर दैट। सो ये यस के साथ आंसर कर रहा है तो आपको समझ जाना है कि ये वर्बल क्वेश्चन है, इसलिए आप व्हाट को क्रॉस कर देंगे। यू विल क्रॉस दिस लाइक दिस एंड यू विल कंटिन्यू द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस। इज मनोहर रीडिंग a story book? Is Manohar reading a story book? At last question mark. Okay students, isn't it very easy to form WH question or verbal question? We have seen just to form verbal question. Next we may have of that WH also. Let's see what is there in question number 3rd. Question you have to frame. I will firstly write the answer. The answer is no, comma, Nutan want, W-O-N apostrophe T, want attained the meeting tomorrow. What is the question? What is the answer, students? No, Nutan won't attend the meeting tomorrow. And your clues for making questions are why or will. Now you are seeing that it is also the answer with yes or no, means it is also verbal question, and you will cut this why because it gives, means this answer, the WH questions answer is information based, है ना? You cannot answer WH questions to in yes or no. If somebody is asking where do you live, can you say yes? Or if somebody is asking that when are you coming to my home, can you say no, है ना? तो मतलब ये है कि WH क्वेश्चन जो होते हैं उनमें आपको इंफॉर्मेशन देना पड़ता है, जानकारी देना पड़ता है, उसके उत्तर बड़े होते हैं और वर्बल के उत्तर आप हाँ या ना भी दे सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पर हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या बनेगा? अब यहाँ पर विल हमने कहाँ से निकाला? क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए हमको हमेशा हेल्पिंग वर्ब फ्रंट पे लेना पड़ता है। आई टॉट यू टेंसेस एंड देयर आल्सो आई टोल्ड यू दैट फॉर मेकिंग और फॉर फ्रेमिंग द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू टेक द हेल्पिंग वर्ब आउट। ओके, सो हेल्पिंग वर्ब यहाँ पर क्या है? वांट है, ये मतलब विल प्लस नॉट है। व्हाट इज दैट? विल प्लस नॉट। सो आंसर है नो, न्यूटन वांट अटेंड द मीटिंग टुमारो। सो क्वेश्चन इज will Nutan attend the meeting tomorrow. हम yes में भी आंसर कर सकते हैं इसको, no में भी. Let's see next example. Example number 4. That answer of fourth question is no, Nitish has never seen a well. No, Nitish has never seen a well. So आंसर आपका ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है ना, और आपको क्लूज में है haven't and has. So haven't को कट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि नीतीश जो है वो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है और उसके साथ हेल्पिंग वर्ब has लगेगा. So cut to haven't comes with plural subject. Okay, so has Nitish seen a well? Then answer will be no, Nitish has never seen a well. So is this exercise hard? No, you will say no ma'am, it's very easy. So you have to solve, you have to try the next questions. There are questions in G exercise up to 7. So you have to solve them all. 4 we have solved here, 3 are left. You do that in your home, okay? And if difficulty you get there, you ask me on that WhatsApp group also, or my personal phone also you can try. Okay, so let's see the next exercise. You see students, there are many exercises and there are many questions in every exercise. So we cannot take all here. And it is not good also for good study because you must try firstly. You have to try. Do you remember that when you were coming regularly to school, I was giving you homework firstly for trying, then we were seeing that. So like that you have to try firstly, okay? Now see, frame yes no questions for these statements. Exercise H on page number 10. It is also asking for making yes no questions. Answer is given there for first question. First question we have to make. First we are writing answer. Yes, Mitul took the bus to school today. Then how you will make the question? You have to identify the text of the sentence. What is the text of the sentence? Mitul took the bus to school today. It is subject and this is V2, है ना? जहाँ पर आपको subject और V2 वर्ब का सेकेंड फॉर्म मिलता है, फर्स्ट समझ जाते हैं, इट इज पास्ट सिंपल टेंस. और सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में आप इंट्रोगेटिव बनाने के लिए कौन से हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज करते हैं? डिड का, है ना? सो यू हैव टू यूज दैट नॉलेज हियर एंड यू विल immediately understand that I have to take did as a helping verb of the question. Did Mitul, अब did के साथ आपको V1 अप्लाई करना है, that's why to will become take. Did Mitul take the bus to school today? Understood, students? It is also very easy to frame questions of exercise D. है ना? Let's see second and the rest you will do because they are also easy to do. What is next question? The answer is, I am writing answer, that is no. Farooq cannot speak Gujarati. No, Farooq cannot speak Gujarati. It is answer. What will be your question then? Your question will be very easily. Yes, you can understand it very easily. The question will be like this. Can you have to take out for framing the question? Can Farooq, can then subject Farooq. Can Farooq speak Gujarati? Question mark. Okay, students. So this exercise is also easy. You have to try the next questions of this exercise by your own. Okay. Or shall we try one more? Let's see the third also. I am writing firstly the answer. The answer is, yes, it is 5 o'clock now. The answer is yes, it is 5 o'clock now. Okay, and what can be the question? Is it 5 o'clock? इसको सामने ला लीजिए. Is is helping verb in the sentence. Bring it in front. Is it 5 o'clock now? Question mark. Is it 5 o'clock now? Yes, it is 5 o'clock now. Okay, students. So the rest of the questions you have to try by your own, and we will start question tags. You have to note these. So, students, I am telling you briefly, in very short, about the question tags. You know about them already, but let's revise them in short, and I will take it in detail in next period. But you have to try this exercise by your own. That's why I am explaining it shortly. Okay, question tags are what? They are actually sometimes when we need to ask for confirmation of our statement, we add a question tag. A question tag is a mini question. What is a question tag? It is a mini question. Question tag means mini question. हम अपनी बात को कंफर्म करने के लिए कुछ छोटा सा प्रश्न पूछते हैं अपने वाक्य के पश्चात. वही मिनी छोटा सा क्वेश्चन होता है क्वेश्चन टैग. क्वेश्चन टैग में क्या रहता है? ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब रहता है और सब्जेक्ट रहता है. ठीक है. और इस सब्जेक्ट में आपको हमेशा ही ध्यान रखना है कि प्रोनाउन ही यूज करना है. आई गिव यू वन एग्जांपल फॉर दिस. द वेदर इज प्लीजेंट टुडे. द वेदर इज प्लीजेंट टुडे मतलब आज का वेदर जो है बहुत अच्छा है. अब मैं अपनी बात को कंफर्म करने के लिए किसी को पूछूंगी, देयर इज समबडी, आई विल आस्क है ना या नहीं है क्या. तो आपको इसको टैग लगाते समय ध्यान रखना है कि जब पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है आपका तो आपको नेगेटिव टैग लगाना है, और जब नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है तो आपको पॉजिटिव टैग लगाना है. द वेदर इज प्लीजेंट एक ऐसा अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है तो इसको आपको नेगेटिव टैग लगाना है, और टैग लगाते समय आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब को उठाना है और सब्जेक्ट के लिए प्रोनाउन यूज करना है। हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सा है? इज। इसका नेगेटिव क्या होगा? इजंट। और वेदर के लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे आप? इट। ये बन गया आपका क्वेश्चन 10. I will tell you in detail in next period, but right now you write the homework. That is, you have to complete exercise G and H that we have taken today. Complete exercise G and H. Bye students.